Yo, in today's video, we're gonna grab one sample and we're gonna flip it 3 times. Let's get it. Okie dokie then. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I highly encourage you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and please give this video a thumbs up so other people can see the video and be like, yo, this video is so dope. So anyways, in today's video, we grabbed one sample. And by we, I mean me, but whatever. You know, we're gonna do this together. Anyways, I found one sample from Cymatics. Like, they released a sample pack a couple of months ago. And it was like fantasy, and it's all a whole bunch of synth sounds and shit. Pretty cool, you should check it out. And I was like, I'm looking for something a little uplifting. And I found one, and it sounds like this. So I grabbed that, I put it in Ableton Simpler, and I came up with a melody, and it sounds like this. My breath stink. So I started messing around, I found a drum, I found a kick, and then this is what I came up with as far as the drums. It sounds a little DDR-ish, but it sounds good to me, you know? So I was like, okay. But now, you know, we did it one way. Let's try to make it something else. Alright, so we still rocking 90, 127 BPM. I'm so used to saying 90. Alright. Okay, so let's fix that because I kind of choked up a bit. Okay, let's add hi-hats. Okay, so we can't do the rolls like that. Okay, let's add some 808s. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we got our 808, we got our melody, we got our hi-hats, and we got our drums. Let's put it all together, see what it sounds like. Here we go. Okay, so that's the second beat. But you know what I'm saying? Like, we can't not try to make it boom bap. So for our third beat, let's try to make it a boom bap. I do think it's possible, obviously, not with the melody how it sounds now. I think the best thing to do would either try halftime plugin or to slow down the tempo. So let's see what happens if I do that. So you're gonna go all the way down to 90. And we're just gonna solo out. And let's I mean, it still sounds pretty good, so let's see what we can come up with. Okay, let's add hi-hats, hi-hats, hi-hats. I can't decide if I want to do the t or I just want to keep it playing. I think what I might do is just like lower the velocity. Okay, so that was the third beat. This is what it sounds like. We got our hats, we got our drums, we got our melody, and it's slowed down to 90, and this is what it sounds like. It sounds pretty good. I think all three of them sound pretty good. They obviously could use some work, and I think that's where like audio effects and plugins come in, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna like tweak it around a bit, as far as the 3 beats go. But yeah, put it all together. Where is shit at? Alright, so without further ado, this is what the beat sounds like. Put it back to 127. Let's not play these games. Buddy, that's not what I said. I said put it from the beginning. Now we're gonna lower the tempo. Alright, so there you have it. We made 3 beats using the same sample. We flipped it a little. Between the 3 beats, I think my favorite was probably the boom bat. Just kidding, I can't decide. I think they're all good in their own way, but I just feel like a little tweaking is gonna make all of them sound a little better, and then I'll be able to make my choice. I can't say decision to save my life. To make the right decision. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of the beat. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video, and like always, do not sleep on me. Later.